everybody, welcome back to my channel. Right now you are watching a 4-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As it offers the hotel location and some nearby attractions and landmark also. Find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are like their stay. Its review rating is 8.4, which is the very good. A set of reviews is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of the basic questions about this hotel. Category 5. We talk about amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. One guest will be required to present photo ID action. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Yes, how to enjoy the 5 categories of rooms are available online. Enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to go big, you can do so through the link provided in the